Hello, y'all. It's Beth here, your instructor. I want to walk you through the example of a rhetorical analysis that I posted for you this week before the assignment that's due on Sunday. I know that many of you dealt with rhetorical devices in Writing 121. We're going to go a little bit deeper now in Writing 122 when we're dealing totally with argumentative writing. Now, this is a sample. It's not necessarily an A+ paper. Do better. Just use it as inspiration. Now, if you look down here, what I've got here, I begin, notice it's double-spaced too. I begin by identifying which article I chose to examine. I've given the title of the article and I have given the full name of the author. Now, from now on, I'm just going to refer to Jim Taylor as Taylor. Not as Jim. I'm not on first name basis with him. But I begin with this. I could put down where it was. I think it was a Huffington Post, but I don't need to. I just need to tell my reader, what am I talking about? And then I am going to talk about how Taylor presents his argument. In this first paragraph, I am going to explain his thesis and how he goes about doing it. You notice I'm talking about that he does logos. He does not include pathos. And then I have a quotation here. Quotation does not necessarily need to be in the first paragraph, but I want you to include a quotation in this assignment somewhere, just because we need to start working on research. Notice I've got an ellipsis mark here. What does this mean? That means I've left out at least one word. Notice it is 3 spaced periods, not just a random ... It's just, I do not need that information. We'll talk more later in the term about how to edit quotations, but that's what we're doing. Then in my second paragraph, I'm talking about who is my audience. He's addressing families, probably with 2 working parents. Get as detailed as you can with this. The audience is more specific than every human who lives on the planet who can read. That's supposed to be a joke. And then in my last paragraph, I'm talking about my own opinion. Notice my first 2 paragraphs, I was objective. I did not voice my opinion. Now I'm saying, what do I think about it? And I said, I wish, however, he had offered a solution for the problem. Notice how short this is. This is like 1 page. I don't care about length. I care that you show me you can look at an argument and analyze it. Now, you will have to include a work cited. We're using MLA Edition 8. You can find this through the Lane Library, how to do it, or you can just copy what I've got here, because this is correct. I could include an accessed date too. Have any questions? Let me know. I'd be glad to help you with it. Bye.